Congratulations on purchasing your new grill, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your Nexgrill Charcoal Kettle with cart, reference your owner's manual to make sure all of your grill's parts are accounted for. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench to complete the assembly. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly process, please call the customer service line on your screen. Let's do this. We'll begin by attaching your grill's side handle to the cart panel. With the cart panel flipped upside down, insert each end of the side handle through a side handle seat and into the holes on the side of the cart panel, like so. Once in place, secure the side handle to the cart panel using 2 A screws at each end. Then secure each end of the side handle to its respective seat using 2 B screws. Next, attach all 4 of your grill's cart legs using 2 C screws apiece. Once all 4 legs are attached, find the condiment heat shield and attach it to the front of the cart panel using 4 C screws. Then secure the front cart panel to the main cart panel and front cart legs using 8 C screws, 4 on each side. Next, attach side panels on the right and left sides of the main cart panel using 5 C screws for each panel. Then install the back panel the same way, using 6 more C screws. Next, we'll install your grill's 4 casters to the bottom panel. On this grill, you should have 2 stationary casters and 2 locking swivel casters. The locking swivel casters should be positioned on the right side of the bottom panel, with the stationary casters positioned on the left. Secure each caster using 4 A screws. Once all 4 casters are secure, flip the bottom panel right side up and set the main grill cart on top. Once in place, secure the grill cart to the bottom panel using 2 A screws on each leg. Next, attach the condiment tray to the front of the grill cart by loosening the 3 pre-assembled screws on the front cart panel and sliding the condiment tray in. Then use 1 C screw on each front leg to secure it in place. After that, find the charcoal bowl assembly and attach your grill's ash cup bracket to the bottom of the main bowl using 3 C screws and 3 D washers. Please note that the upward-facing arrow imprinted on the ash cup bracket should point to an open vent to assure proper ventilation. Next, find the bowl vent assembly and remove the cap at the end of its handle, like so. Then insert the bowl vent into the ash cup bracket, guiding the handle through the long horizontal opening, like so. Secure the bowl vent in place using 1 A screw, 1 E washer, and 1 F nut. Once secure, reinstall the cap to the bowl vent's handle. After that, set the main bowl into the grill cart and secure it in place using 3 A screws. Then set the charcoal grate into the main bowl, followed by the cooking grate. Next, we'll assemble your grill's lid. First, attach the handle on top of the lid by setting the decorative sheet into place like so, and securing the handle on top using 2 H screws on the outside of the lid and 2 E washers and G nuts on the inside. Use an adjustable wrench to firmly tighten the G nuts. Once the handle is secure, install the temperature gauge by removing the pre-installed nut, setting the temperature gauge into place, and then reinstalling the nut from the inside of the lid. Then set your fully assembled lid on top of the main bowl. Next, attach 2 side shelf support brackets to the left of the main bowl and lid using 4 A screws apiece. Then mount the side shelf by angling its hooks over the side shelf support brackets and then lifting upward, like so. Next, find your grill's ash cup and attach its handle using 2 C screws and 2 D washers. Once assembled, hang the ash cup underneath the main bowl by angling it over the hooks located on the bottom of the ash cup bracket. Your Nexgrill Charcoal Kettle grill with cart is now assembled and ready to go. Now get out there and grill something different.